I come upon this really good video by the Mythbuster. It's actually from 2 years ago, where they have investigate how far and how widely spread having a flu or a cough will actually affect other people, and how how having flu and influenza is able to spread so widely and rapidly to other people. Let's watch this. Let's watch this together. Sneeze.
God, it looks like a murder scene. It feels like I've got a cold. It's just as annoying.
It's actually sacrificed by the system. But in the world, you make an eye see that. Wow.
Thanks for participating in my science experiment.
It's everywhere. Oh my god. How do you get table? Everything.
Dana, will you hand out the glasses for me, please?
See? The hands. You check the hands, because the hands is the gateway into your body. Hands to
If you're sick, you need to take some personal responsibility.
Right. This has been a public service announcement from Jamie and Adam at mythbuster.
Personal responsibility. Remember that. So hope this is educational for you. Take care and wear a mask and wash your hands.